It's my turn!
Payback's a bitch.
Shouldn't have been talking shit.
Wait a minute. One Championship just released their slow motion highlights, and my God, are they brutal.
I got you now.
Falcon kick!
Oh, fucking do it again.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
Why has nobody thrown in the towel? Man's in the neon getting his ass whipped, and in slow motion, it looks even worse. He's collecting all of the hands and feet. How you get hit with every possible combination in the book. It's like he's the CPU in practice mode, but he's actually a human. When he watches this fight back with his corner, they gonna be like, what do you think you gotta work on? He gonna respond everything. He was getting beat so bad, his shadow is in the ICU.
Do it again.
Falcon kick!
He did it again. Finish him.
Shutting down.
Falcon punch!
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh shit.
Where do you think you're going?
Suplex City, bitch. German suplex throw.
Hello, friend.
He stuck his toes in his mouth.
Die.
Oh my God.
Well, shit.
Left hand had his mouthpiece tasting sour. Just look at his face. And the right hand grazed his temple.
It hurts, you know it hurts.
Look at you! You got kicked in your chest! You eat a dick, nigga! You eat a dick!
Payback's a bitch.
Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake? So much pain! So much pain!
Everybody got a doctor out here! Don't just stand there! Get a doctor out here right now! EMT's, get him out of here!
Oh my God!